Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a paint haul and a couple kitchen items from Walmart. Paint haul will explain in the videos for the shop press. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I picked up, all of this came from Walmart. I picked up a bunch of paint and picked up some kitchen stuff. So we'll go over it real quick. It's not going to be a long video. Videos before this, you guys might recall, I'm painting the shop press. So I ran out of primer. I like this Rust-Oleum Professional primer. One issue, this can right here is half full, and it ran out of propellant, so it won't spray out anymore. But I have one other one over there. Actually, I have two of them over there. One of them's almost empty. The other one is pretty close to being empty as well. So I went to 3 different Walmarts to get these. So I got 12 of the primer. Now I only have these 2 items left to paint, so we're not going to go through all of that primer. So what I don't use will be my backstock, because I consumed all the backstock that I had. I grabbed 2 more of this high performance enamel in matte as well as in gloss black, and these 2 pieces, the top piece right here, this goes to the mounts to the top of the shop press. The bottle jack presses against this. Bottle jack mounts to this, and this presses on the item you're trying to press out, or whatever you're trying to do. This is the carriage that you slide up and down on the holes on the side. These 2 items are going to be green. So the body, basically the entire frame is green. The security brackets, that's what I would call these. These make sure this doesn't tweak against the legs. So these are the arms. The legs are hanging up here, drying. I had them outside. I brought them in. So they're drying. Those are the feet, or the legs. And the wheels, I had mounted wheels to it, so the wheels go on those. That mounts to that. These little brackets right here basically crisscross between the legs and the feet, you know, or the legs and the arms, if you want to look at it that way. And the springs I primed gray. They're going to be this copper color right here. I only grabbed 2 cans. So I'm not going to use all this navy blue because it's gloss navy blue. What's going to happen is those are going to get primed. I'm going to use a couple of the primer cans to prime those after I blast them and get all the crappy paint off and the rust. Prime them. Then we're going to use a couple cans. You know, it may take 3 cans, if that, to paint those 2 guys. The rest of the navy blue is just going to be backstock. I also grabbed 2 of these Krylon Fusion all-in-one paint and primer cans. I have an old style one here. You could tell it's old comparing it to that guy. So this one is dries in 15 minutes. Fusion, the no prep super bond paint for plastic, metal, wood, wicker, and more. This is gloss. This one, the new one says paint and primer. Funny thing is this one has a different style sprayer. This one has the sprayer where you can physically turn. So it's in vertical mode now. So when you spray it, it sprays a vertical fan. You can turn this little plastic black piece that's got paint on it. You can turn it and it can do a horizontal spray. The newer versions of them, the lid's actually different. The lid's more flat like every other lid. It's got the 360 sprayer. That's what this one has. But I do like the Fusion. This one's gloss black for use inside and outdoor on most plastics. This one says any angle, any surface, no sanding, max rust protection, indoor, outdoor. So I grabbed a couple of those because this one's getting low. More than likely going to take the nozzle off this. I'm probably going to take this nozzle off when this can's empty. I'm going to clean it and then save it for the next can because I do like this style spray nozzle. Sometimes vertical spraying is nice. So picked up one thing, extra thing of shoelaces. These are one of my wife's boots. Shoelaces go bad or break, she can, you know, use those. I grabbed a battery terminal with wing nut. They only had one. I would have preferred two. Grabbed two of these little funnels with handles. What's it say on the handle? They're mainstay mini funnels, 3-piece. They're just generic metal funnels. I grabbed one for the kitchen, one for automotive oils, paint, not paints, but oils and lubricants, stuff like that. Filling small containers, you know, even using these to fill like two-stroke engines, stuff like that with oil. I grabbed a single funnel, which is made by Time and Table, made for everyday use, mini silicone funnel. And then here's this Faberware soft grip set of 3 silicone funnels. This one's silicone also, this pink one. And the reason I grabbed the pink one is because we just popped this off real quick. So we saw this at the store because one of these funnels didn't have the packaging. So kind of, one of these funnels didn't have the packaging, and neither did this 3-pack, so we were messing with it. But, so this funnel is actually a little bit bigger than the smallest one that came in a 3-pack. So you can actually pop the smallest one in there. Slide the pink one in. If we can get the pink one to cooperate. Yep. Now there's a 4-pack. Now these are staying in the kitchen. For use in the kitchen. And we also grabbed this little bottle pourers. Me and my wife both like using olive oil. The kitchen is kind of dirty. We got stuff to clean, but so we like the Pompeian extra virgin olive oil, robust, and the other flavors that they have. We need to find a couple bottles for them so we can just remove that plastic container away from the oven because it's actually getting scorched. But these are the items picked up. This is going to go in the toolbox. This is going to go in the electrical cart. This is going to go in a bag in the bedroom with all the rest of the shoelaces. These are all going to go with the paint supplies out in the barn. And a couple are going to be left in here to be used. This is a copper color. I kind of liked it. I figure it's going to make it stand out. If the springs are copper, because the bottle jack and the presser are green, the arms and the legs and are green, as well as the leg and arm braces are green. We're going to change this from this metallic silver, which is a crappy paint job to begin with. They didn't prime this. They just slapped some metallic silver paint on it. That was all they did. When I started stripping all of these, I noticed that they weren't painted. And how we're going to paint these is I have these shackles right here. They came with rubber inserts. I'll put the rubber inserts on afterwards. Got some hardware bolts, 3/8 by 16 bolts. Got some 3/8 nuts and washers and lock washers. And we're going to suspend this and the bottom piece from the gazebo, and we're going to hang it from the chain so it's a little lower, easier to deal with. The press plates are black. I repainted them black, which is why this Fusion can was out. And that's about it. So we're gonna slap some blue on it, some copper, some primer, get it put back together and throw it back outside. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. It is a large paint haul. I've done some paint hauls in the past where I got a crap ton of paint. You know, I don't necessarily buy, you know, the last thing I don't like doing is going and grabbing 2 cans and then I'm in the middle of the project and I need like 1 more can or something. So I normally just grab them in bulk. If I have to drive, you know, another 5 miles down the road or another 10 miles and hit 3 or 4 other stores, I don't mind, because I'd rather come home with more than I need than not have enough. The mat, I have 2 mats of these high performance enamels in the barn, and I have 2 gloss. I picked them up just because they had them, just in case they are needed for another project. Majority of the blue is going to be back stock. Only a couple cans are going to be used, and I picked the some more Krylon Fusion all-in-one up because I like it. So I appreciate you guys watching. Just a quick video as fast as I could do. Appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, hanging out with me today. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. All the affiliate links, doesn't cost you anything, helps out the channel. You know, go use them if there's something you need. Even if there's a link in the description on Amazon or something, you don't necessarily need that item. If you click on any of my links, you can shop for whatever you want after you click on the link. You don't have to buy what I have there. And it gets me a little kickback, helps me do videos like this for the channel, helps me do projects as well as bring you guys along, tool hauls, you know, tool reviews, stuff like that. So if you can, I appreciate it. You guys help me out if you can. And you guys need something from Amazon or Acme Tools or Ohio Power Tools, go check out the links. Also, top of the description below, I also have an Ulsa Tool links, same thing. You go over to Ulsa Tools, it'll give you click on that link, it'll give you 10% off your order, and it kicks me back 10% off my next order, Ulsa Tools. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Happy New Year's. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!